Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we discussed that if you are a research student or a research professor and you want to understand this paper, that what author has have proposed, or you are a professor and you are reviewing it for any journal or for your student and provide them comments, then you have to know mm, that how this process could be started. And for that, we discuss a 12 question framework. The different sections should be checked from different perspective regarding the problem statement, theoretical background, literature review, methodology, and result comparison, interpretation, and significance. So these 10 to 12 different kind of question can be asked, can be checked, and the answer should be find out from the research paper to understand what other authors have proposed and whether they have some limitation or not. So at that time, we posed a question that is there any AI application that can help us to make this process easier for us? And the answer to this question is yes. And there are so many applications, but one of them which can be very easily set up and can be used as POP AI, and it can help us as our personal AI assistant to make this process easier for us to understand, to read the research paper and understand it. We are going to demonstrate this tool practically, that how it works and how it can make our job easier. So I'm going to start this tool. So I have to go to popai.pro, and here this application here it has many options, but we are going to demonstrate that how it can help us to make it easier for us to understand someone else research and review it. So here I will start the new chat, but before this I have to set up the account, and I have already registered with my email address. So once I go to popai.pro, it automatically takes me to this already signed in version. So I'm going to start at sign new chat, and here I have to upload my paper. So the PDF of your paper should be uploaded. I am going to upload this paper, and it takes some time depending on the internet speed. So it will get uploaded and it will automatically start summarizing this paper for me, that what author have proposed in this research paper. So it automatically starts summarizing it, and shortly you will see that it will comprehend the whole paper and will extract the key information, and this information are easier for us as a research student to understand that what this these author have proposed, and if I am a research professor, I can understand the concept of this of these researcher. Once this is you can see that a pretty good summary of this whole research paper has been produced by this pop AI for us. And here it also provides a list of possible questions that I should ask it to make it more understandable. Some of the question is that here, what machine learning methodology is proposed for early detection of self care disability, and some other questions. So I'm asking that yes, uh, give me answer for this one as well, that what method the author have proposed. So it will give me answer out of this, that the author have used MLP progressive method. As we discussed in our last video, that we can ask different kind of questions. The 12 question framework was discussed in our last video. So I'm going to ask one question from each section, uh, that what is, for example, For example, I am asking the first question that what is the central research question of the author? What is the central research question discussed in this study? So it will give me answer by extracting this information, and this is the answer they have provided to me. And as this is my own research, I know that what they are extracting and giving me as an answer from this 24-page paper, so that's correct. I can validate it for because it's my own research. For example, I'm asking another question that what are the key contribution of the researchers. So it will extract this. Now you can see that the key contribution they are extracting from this research paper. Now I'm asking another question regarding the methodology, uh, whether the method is adopted one or a novel one proposed by the author. And here it gives me that the method has been adopted, but some changes have been made by adding some other pre-processing steps. One of the interesting feature of this POP AI tool is that it has extracted all the images and tables that have been used in this research paper, and I can ask about some particular figure or table. For example, this is the figure, and I have selected this, and I am asking this that extract the data from this figure. So this is the main research design proposed by the author in this study, and it's now the POP AI is using the ChatGPT 4 feature, and will extract information from this image and will narrate it here for my understanding. You can see that it's giving me the information, extracting it from the uh, this figure. And here I can ask further question that could you please describe the methodology depicted in this figure. So it has started narrating this figure and all the steps, because in the figure, the first section is about the data pre-processing, resampling, randomization, and then multi-layer perceptron model is used. So it's extracting the information and narrating it, and then how model is trained, validated, and then how this model is tested. So the whole methodology which was depicted in this methodology figure, its POP AI is explaining, narrating and explaining it. Now let's take another example, that in this research paper, this graph is provided, which give us the information about comparative analysis of the proposed method with some other methods. But I'm unable to understand it, so I'm going to ask this POP AI by showing this figure. This is the figure diagram that it has extracted from this research paper, and I'm asking it that extract the data from this. So it will now extract the data and will provide me for my understanding. So here it's give me that this is the comparative analysis of this of the proposed model with the binary class dataset and multi-class dataset. So it's a very good tool that it provides me. It extract data from the tool. It can also explain it for me. So I'm asking a question that which model is the best one and how much. Which model is the best one and how much? So let's see the answer. So it's giving me the information that in the single class, the model achieved 97.14% and 98.57% accuracy, and the model is MLP progressive model, which has uh, good accuracy as compared to its other counterpart. In this way, we can ask a different kind of question regarding the different section of the research paper. And let's finally ask another question about the limitation and assumption of this study. What are the limitation and assumption of this study? You can see that they are extracting the information about the limitation, sample size, external validation, causal link, and assumption. These are the few assumptions. So from this demonstration of this tool, we can say that it's a very good, powerful tool that has the ChatGPT 4 features that can extract the information from the images and provide a summary for the research paper, and whatever section we are going to ask to make it understandable for us, that what author have proposed, it can make this whole process easier for us. So you can take help from this tool in your research if you want to understand the research of your student, or if you are a reviewer and providing comments to the author. So this POP AI uh, can help you in this regard. Thank you.